In this video, we are going to learn how to multiply mixed numbers. In order to multiply two mixed numbers, we have to convert them first into fractions. We all know how to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. You have to multiply the whole part by the denominator, then add the product to the numerator. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1, 6 out of 5. We keep the same denominator. Example 1. Multiplying fractions and mixed numbers. As a first step, we keep the fraction as it is and we change the mixed number into an improper fraction. That is 3 out of 4 9 times 1 is 9, plus 1, 10 out of 9. Multiplying fractions is very easy. I can multiply the numerator by the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. I will get 30 out of 36, and then I have to simplify the fraction. I divide by 6 to get 5 out of 6. Instead of multiplying the numbers and getting larger numbers, then searching for common divisors in order to simplify the fraction, I can go the opposite way, which is simplifying the numbers, reducing them into smaller numbers, then multiplying the results to get the simplest form directly. This method is called cancellation. I have to put both numbers on the same fraction bar. 3 times 10 out of 4 times 9. This method is much easier because it gives the simplest form directly. So I have to search for a common divisor that can simplify a number in the numerator and a number in the denominator at the same time. It's clear that 3 and 9 share the same common divisor, which is 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. If we look closely, we can notice that 10 and 4 share the same common divisor, which is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 4 divided by 2 is 2. None of the numbers in the numerator share a common divisor with any number in the denominator. So, after simplifying the numbers, I can now multiply the numbers in the numerator and the numbers in the denominator to get the simplest form directly. Now we are going to multiply two mixed numbers. As a first step, we have to change the two mixed numbers into fractions. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2, 14 out of 3, times 7 times 2 is 14, plus 4, 18 out of 7. As we mentioned in the previous slide, that instead of multiplying 14 by 18 to make the numbers bigger, 3 times 7, 21, instead of making the numbers larger, we can simplify them, then multiply the results that we are going to get. Fourteen and 7 share the same divisor, which is 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 18 and 3 share 3 as a common divisor. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now we multiply the numbers in the numerator and the numbers in the denominator. Of course, 12 out of 1 is 12. Let's move to example 3. We have to change the mixed numbers into fractions. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 1, 25 out of 3. 15 times 1 is 15, plus 6, 21 out of 15. We put them on the same fraction bar in order to simplify them. 25 times 21 out of 3 times 15. Let's look closely to the numbers in order to search for common divisors that can divide the numbers in the numerator and the numbers in the denominator. It's clear that 21 and the 3 share 3 as a common divisor. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 21 divided by 3 is 7. Now, 25 and 15 share 5 as a common divisor. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Now, none of the numbers in the numerator share a common divisor with the numbers in the denominator. So I multiply the numbers in the numerator to get 35. And then I can multiply the numbers in the denominator to get 3. Since the number in the numerator is greater than the number in the denominator, we have to change the fraction into mixed number. We use long division and we put the quotient as a whole part and the remainder in the numerator keeping the same denominator, or we can think of it mentally. 35 divided by 3 is 11, because 11 times 3 gives 33. I will still have 2 as a remainder and 3 as a denominator, and this is the final result in its simplest form. The last example is going to be multiplying whole numbers and mixed numbers. We can change the whole number into fraction by putting 1 as a denominator. So we will get 3 out of 1 times 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3, 13 out of 5. We put both fractions in the same fraction bar. We try to find common divisors in order to divide the numbers in the numerator and the denominator. 3 has no common divisor with 5. 13 has no common divisor with 5 or 1. So that's why we can multiply directly without canceling any number. 3 times 13 is 39 out of 5. Since the number in the numerator is bigger than the number in the denominator, we have to put it as a mixed number. 39 divided by 5. 7 times 5 is 35, and after subtracting the numbers, we will get 4 as a remainder. We use 7 to put it in the whole part. The remainder will be as a numerator, and we keep the same denominator. Thanks all for watching, and I hope you liked the video.